Using these AI tools can really feel like you've developed a superpower. These advanced AI models are changing things in fundamental ways, and the pace of change is accelerating. And that's part of the reason why we're devoting the time we are to this event today. And welcome to aiEDGE for Innovation Day. I want you to adopt an explorer's mindset. See where these tools will take you and see what the possibilities are. Think big. We will do things differently, and we will do things differently sooner than you might have imagined even just a few years ago.
We have a mission of ensuring that the world safely makes the transition through transformative AI. It's really critical that the US gets this right, and it's important that we learn all of the other implications, both positive and negative, that might come along with it.
Data is now the coin of the realm. This is the currency that we have in abundance that will change the way we think about science and technology and research and development. It allows you to explore vast data sets in ways and at scales that would be inconceivable without these tools.
We want to use all of this, all of the intelligence and technology that we're developing to help the US remain the world's science superpower. We could not be prouder to partner together with all of you. And at the rate that AI is improving, I'm very confident in saying we are just getting started, both of us together.
There is really no limit to what we can accomplish together. We're in an era of competition, strategic and economic, and the nation that harnesses these powerful tools will lead. So this is our chance. The pace of change in this arena is truly breathtaking. What is possible with this incredible toolkit?